Hey everyone, this is Benedicta and Taya. So we came up with a problem and we named our school Benny Taya International College Lectures. So um, in the school of Benny Taya International College, basically lecturers have different grading system, and they wanted something to determine a standard and unified grading system. So, in order for grades to move kind of progressively and to make it easier to determine students' final score for the semester, we came up with a solution. It's basic, it's like a C++ program that allows the teachers to kind of determine a unified grading system. And so, moving to the program, the ID environment that we used was the Xcode. Just a few minutes. Okay, so basically we used iOS Stream because that's necessary because it's like an interactive program. So we assigned five for the score because there are going to be five assignments, which is the attendance, the assignment, the quiz, the midterm, and the final exam. Then we summed it up to zero, so it doesn't keep going back and having an error. Okay, so first you want to see out the score of the student. And so like we kind of just did it but this was mainly for decoration to make it kind of look attractive and all. And then you see out the attendance, the assignment, the quiz, the score, um, the midterm, and the final exam. And if you noticed, we assigned different numbers, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So as we go on, you're going to see why we assigned those. So we used the for loop because we wanted it to keep adding basically. So as it goes from 0, it's going to add to 1, it's going to add to 2, 3, and so on. So basically, you see in the total score of the student, and then when you get the sum, because we want the average, so you have to divide it by 5 to get the average completely. Okay, so you do that. And so we basically did an if else statement because for the grade. So we have if the average is greater than or equal to 90, you see out excellent. So if else, if it doesn't, that's the average would be greater than or equal to 90 because originally the average was 90. So then you see in B, which would give you a good performance. Then you basically do the same thing as the program goes forward. So now we're going to build our solution. And so we're going to enter a score. So let's go with, because I like to be kind of extra, I'd go with 90. So, yeah. We're going to put an 80. An 80. So the midterm, we want to keep it like very realistic. So we'll say an 80 also. And then the final exam, you scored a 79. So your total score was 409. You got an average of 81.8, which is not so bad. And your grade, you got a B because we assigned a B as good performance. So thank you guys for watching our program. We hope you learned and you liked it. Bye.